Brother, you'll never earn respect or confidence wasting life on games and endless scrolling. You need to invest your time in hobbies that make you tougher, smarter, and unstoppable. These aren't hobbies, they're life changers. In today's world, boys are pushed into maturity too fast, and somewhere along the way, we're told hobbies are just childish. But the truth is, the right hobbies don't just kill time, they shape you into a stronger, sharper man. In this video, I'll share 10 powerful hobbies that can transform boys into real men. Number 1, combat sports. Being a man doesn't mean you have to be violent or aggressive. It means you have discipline, control, and real confidence. Walking into any room knowing that you can handle yourself is the real definition of confidence. And that's why combat sports such as boxing or martial arts is the perfect hobby to turn boys into men. Number 2, strength training. Going to the gym or doing any kind of strength training is one of the most effective ways to build discipline. You don't get rewarded immediately when you lift weights, but over time, consistently showing up every week pays off. A strong body builds a strong mind, and it teaches you to push past what you thought was possible. The muscles you build are just a bonus. The real gain is inner strength. Number 3, reading for power. Reading is one of the most powerful tools available to us, yet most people don't use it to their advantage. Instead of reading fantasy books and escaping into fictional worlds, read biographies of men who were real. Learn about their strategies, how they overcame obstacles, and the battles they won. Read about history and learn from the great empires of the past. This knowledge will become your secret weapon in any conversation and will give you powers that very few men possess. Number 4, cooking. Most guys never learn to cook and end up ordering takeout all the time. This is a rookie mistake. Cooking is one of the most fundamental skills you need to master as a man. It helps you become more independent, and it helps you take care of yourself. More importantly, if you know how to cook, you don't need anyone to survive. It's highly attractive when a man knows his way around the kitchen, and if you ever find yourself in a long-term relationship, your woman will definitely appreciate it. Number 5, music or instrument. Music is one of the most overlooked hobbies out there. Playing an instrument takes a lot of patience, rhythm, and creativity. Most guys don't have any of these traits, which is why it's so important to develop them. Music will help you build emotional depth, something most men lack. It also helps you express yourself in ways you never thought possible. Just think about it. One song can completely change the energy of an entire room. Number 6, survival and adventure. There's nothing more manly than a man that can survive in the wilderness. It reminds you that you're not just a product of your environment, but you're built for endurance, strength, and adventure. Go hiking, camping, or do anything that gets you away from the screens and into nature. These activities build resilience and grit. Nature has a way of humbling you and making you tougher. Number 7, photography or videography. Photography and videography are often seen as feminine hobbies, but the truth is that they can make you more masculine. These hobbies sharpen your eye for detail and teach you to notice the things other people miss. They also teach you perspective, which makes you appreciate the small things in life. Photography and videography also give you the ability to turn normal moments into timeless memories. Number 8, learning a new language. Learning a new language is not only a great hobby, but it's also one of the best investments you can make. It rewrites the way your brain works and builds discipline at the same time. Knowing multiple languages opens doors to different cultures, opportunities, and let's face it, women. It makes you instantly more valuable and more interesting. Number 9, building and fixing. Whether it's DIY, woodwork, or fixing cars, building and fixing are essential skills every man needs to master. There's a reason why dads spend their free time in the garage. It's not just because they enjoy it, but because it's where the real work is done. Building something from scratch gives you a sense of accomplishment that's hard to beat. The feeling of saying, "I made this," is priceless. These hobbies build patience, problem-solving skills, and self-reliance, 3 things that will make you capable in a world full of dependent men. Number 10. Public speaking. Public speaking is one of the most useful and practical skills out there, yet most people avoid it like the plague. Many people suffer from a fear of public speaking, but guess what? That fear is rooted in the belief that you'll be embarrassed or judged. And that's exactly why you need to start practicing it. As a man, you need to kill the fear of embarrassment. You need to learn how to speak with power and confidence in front of any audience. This will help you in every aspect of your life. It will make you more charismatic, magnetic, and confident in social situations. And let's face it, if you can speak with power, you can lead. Remember, every day you waste is a day you'll never get back. Start building now. Start growing now. A stronger, sharper, more confident version of you is waiting, but only if you take action today.